Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical fishing camera, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from fishing camera, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fishing camera from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Chasing CanFish Fishing CamX Underwater Fishing Camera. Discover the ultimate fishing companion with the Chasing CanFish Fishing CamX Underwater Fishing Camera. This advanced camera features 1080p HD video resolution and a 136-degree wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture stunning underwater visuals and details like never before. Equipped with 2 LED green lights, it illuminates your view at night while attracting fish to enhance your fishing experience. Designed for professional use, the Fishing CamX is ROV-level waterproof, diving up to 200 meters and providing up to 138 minutes of battery life. Enjoy effortless operation with automatic recording and motion sensing controls, all accessible within a 50-meter Wi-Fi range for real-time image observation. The innovative fish find design ensures stable shooting and doubles as a lure for fishing. Your purchase includes everything you need to start exploring the depths: the camera, wireless charging station, buoyancy ring, and user manual. Don't miss the chance to elevate your fishing adventures with this cutting-edge technology. Number 2. Eyoyo Underwater Fishing Camera 7-inch LCD Monitor Fish Finder. Introducing the Eyoyo Underwater Fishing Camera with a 7-inch LCD monitor, the ultimate tool for anglers looking to elevate their fishing game. This camera features a large 7-inch TFT color screen with an impressive resolution of 800 into 480 pixels, complete with a removable sun visor for optimal visibility in bright conditions. Whether you're fishing on a lake from a boat or on ice, you'll enjoy crystal-clear visuals. Equipped with a 1000 TiVo camera chip, this fishing camera offers superior image clarity and color reproduction, allowing you to identify fish species and observe their behavior with ease. The 12 infrared lights enhance visibility during night and ice fishing, switching to black and white for improved clarity in low-light environments. Designed for portability, the Eyoyo camera comes in a protective waterproof case for easy transport. With a robust 4500 mAh battery, enjoy up to 8 hours of continuous operation, making it perfect for long fishing trips. Don't miss out on underwater action. Get yours today. Number 3. FishPRO 7-inch Underwater Fishing Camera. Introducing the FishPRO 7-inch Underwater Fishing Camera, your ultimate companion for an enhanced fishing experience. This advanced camera features a stunning 1080p AD resolution and a vibrant 7-inch IPS monitor, delivering clear and vivid underwater visuals even in bright sunlight. With a powerful 10,000 mAh battery, enjoy up to 20 hours of continuous use, perfect for long fishing trips. Equipped with multiple lighting modes, including IR and white LEDs, this camera illuminates murky waters without spooking fish. Switching between lighting modes is a breeze with just a single button press. Designed for simplicity, the FishPRO is plug and play, making it ideal for both novice and seasoned anglers. This camera is built to withstand the elements and comes with a 12-month hassle-free warranty, ensuring you can fish with confidence. Portable and easy to carry, the FishPRO is a must-have for your next fishing adventure. Number 4. ZXBVSU Underwater Fishing Camera with Infrared Night Vision. Introducing the ZXBVSU Underwater Fishing Camera with Infrared Night Vision, the perfect tool for anglers looking to enhance their fishing experience. This professional-grade camera features a high-definition LCD monitor and a robust underwater camera, allowing you to monitor fish activity and explore underwater terrain with clarity. With 1080p video capture and a wide 220-degree angle, you'll never miss a moment. Equipped with a powerful 6000 mAh lithium battery, enjoy up to 9 hours of continuous operation and recharge easily via USB for worry-free adventures. The camera's 6 to 12 infrared night vision lights provide exceptional visibility in dark conditions, ensuring you can spot fish even during nighttime or ice fishing trips. Designed for durability, the anti-corrosion and waterproof cable can withstand a maximum load of 100 kilograms, making it ideal for all types of fishing environments. Easy to set up and transport, the ZXBVSU is your ultimate partner for sea, lake, and ice fishing. Explore the depths with confidence. Number 5. Barlus Underwater Cameras 304 Stainless Steel IP 68.5 Megapixel. Discover the Barlus Underwater Cameras, a state-of-the-art solution for capturing stunning underwater footage. Featuring a robust 5-megapixel camera with 1080 video resolution, this advanced device allows you to document your underwater adventures in crystal-clear detail. Choose between 2-megapixel and 5-megapixel settings for high-definition images that capture those precious moments beneath the surface. Equipped with Power over Ethernet or PoE technology, the Barlus camera simplifies wiring and installation using a single network cable for both video and power transmission. The 5-meter-long special cable is waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and cold-resistant, ensuring reliable performance without frequent charging. Constructed from durable 304 stainless steel and boasting an IP 68 waterproof rating, this camera can be permanently fixed at the bottom of ponds, swimming pools, or aquariums. Whether you're monitoring koi fish or conducting underwater rescues, the Barlus Underwater Camera is your reliable companion. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.